warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, welcome back to my video. My name is Antika Nasution. I'm college student from Mathematics Education Study Program 2019 at State University of Medan. So guys, in the third video, I will explain about the topic numeration system. So let's check it out. Okay guys, first I will explain about definition of the numeration system. Do you know what is the definition of the numeration system? The numeration system is a set of symbols and basic rule for writing number. Symbols that represent a number are called numerals. Number of ethnic group in the world causes many different numeration systems. Therefore, a number can be represented by various symbols, but a symbol refers to only one number. According to history, when humans began to recognize writing or historical times and carry out counting activities, they were confused about how to give the number symbol. So then, a numeration system was created. Namely, a system consists of numeral or symbol of numbers and number. Numbers themselves are abstract ideas that are not defined. So, after we know that the definition of numeration system, we must know about the various numerical system. There are 8 various numerical system. First, Turus-System, ancient Egyptian numerical system, Babylonian numerical system, Asian grid system, Maya numerical system, Japanese, Chinese numerical system, Roman numerical system, and Hindu-Arabic numerical system. Okay guys, let's check it out. For the first explain about Turus-System. Turus-System is one of the first numeral system used was the Turus-System. The system used the stick that symbol be like to represent a number. Until now, we still use this Turus-System, for example, to record the score of a game super match. And the second, we must know about ancient Egyptian numerical system. The ancient Egyptians had known a simple writing instrument resembling paper called papyrus. They make writing in the form of pictures using a kind of a pen with black or red ink. Ancient Egyptian writing is often called hieroglyphic writing, and this writing is found in the form of drawings on papyrus or stroke on stone or piece of wood. This Egyptian writing was written from the word papu, which is a kind of a plant. This is the symbol used in this ancient Egyptian numerical system. Based on feature, we know that vertical step to represent number 1, heel bone to represent number 10, scroll to represent number 100, lotus flower to represent number 1000, pointing finger to represent number 10,000, polywing to represent number 100,000, and atonizement to represent number 1,000,000. The third is Babylonian numerical system. At the time, people wrote number with a piece of wood on tablets made of clay tablets. Babylonian script or numeral are often referred to as cuneiform because they are shaped like nails. The Babylonians wrote cuneiform using an elongated triangular shaped stick or triangular prism by tapping it on a wet slab of earth to produce a tapered triangular basin resembling a nail. The first people who recognized the number 0 were Babylonians. The Babylonians numeral system about 2400 before century is also called the sexagesimal system because it uses basis 60 taken from summer. Characteristic of the Babylonian numeral system is first using base 60, use place value, the symbol used are V and V. The wedge symbol is used for represent 1 and the symbol be like for 10. Does not recognize the symbol 0. And the fourth is Asian grid system. The Greek had known letters and numbers which were marked by grid writing on bark or metal so that the writing looked stiff and strong. There are two kinds of Asian numeral system, namely Asian grid Attic and Asian grid alphabetic. Asian grid Attic This numeral system developed around the 300 before century and are known as acrophonic number because the symbol comes from the first letter of the words that represent the symbol 5s, 10s, 100, 1000, and 10 of 1000. This writing was found in area of Greece was called Attica. The Attic numeral system is represented simply, where the numbers 1 through 4 are represented by the symbol of a stick. This is a symbol used in ancient Greek Attic system. You can see. And the second is ancient Greek alphabetic. Ionians from Greek have developed a number system, namely the Greek alphabet itself, which consists of 27 letters. The base number they use is 10. This is the symbol used in ancient Greek alphabetic system. From the picture, we know that alpha represented for 1, beta represented for 2, and etc. And the fifth is Maya numerical system. The writing or number developed by the Mayans are very distinct instead because in the form of small circles and lines, the writing instrument he uses is a stick whose cross-section is cylindrical or round, so that by sticking the stick into the clay, it will leave a circle mark, or by placing their stick so that it leaves a line. Features of the Maya numerical system is first using base 20, recognize the symbol 0, written vertically. This is the symbol used in Maya numerical system. And the stick is Javanese Chinese numerical system. The Chinese numeral system is called the stem system, has a place value developed around 213 before century. The Chinese use 3 numbering system, namely the Hindu-Arabic system, and the other 2 use local numeral called Dexi. As for Japan, is also used the Chinese numeral system, although it differs in pronunciation after the Japanese Empire began to be influenced by Europe. The Arabic numeral system began to be used. In the Japanese number system, numbers are divided into a group of 4 digits. It is just that because of the influence of the Western world, numbers are always written with a 3-digit grouping of Western style. This is a symbol used in Japanese Chinese numerical system. And the next is Roman numerical system. The Romans use number for their calculation. Roman numerals are written in capital letter that corresponded to Greek touch. In ancient times, the ancient Romans used a spirit numbering system that was very different from the system numbering in an area like today. So guys, Roman numeral only consists of 7 numbers, as we know, with certain letter symbol, where each letter symbol it has a specific number meaning. We generally know about Roman. This is a symbol used in Roman numerical system. It used to give to identify the class in classroom. And the last is Hindu-Arabic numerical system. The Hindu in 300 before century are thought to have had number using base 10 numbers, but they did not yet recognize the number 0. They began to use the place value system and recognize the number 0 is estimated to have occurred in 500 Masehi. The Hindu-Arabic numeration system uses a place value system with a base of 10, which is influenced by the number of fingers, namely 10. Derived from the Latin decim, which means 10, this numeration is often referred to as the decimal system. The Hindu-Arabic numeration system has the following characteristic for below. First, using 10 kinds of number, namely 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the second is using the base 10 number system, and the third using the place value system, and the fourth using the addition and multiplication system. Okay guys, I think that's enough my explanation on the topic of numeration system. If there are criticism or suggestion, you can write in the column comment, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get the latest on topics in learning the history of mathematics. See you next time in the fourth video, and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.